In this video, we are going to see what are the salaries of UX UI designers. Not only the designers, but also the other roles in UX UI design 2023. Let's get into the video. Currently in India, we all know that UX UI has different roles. I think 6 prominent roles we have. One is UX researcher, UX designer, UI designer, UX writer, UX strategist, UX manager. First, let's see the salaries for freshers and then the experienced professionals as per 2023. Number 1 is UX researcher. So they do both qualitative and quantitative research, and they'll be in contact with both the customers and the users throughout their journey. Salary for this role starts from 4.6 LPA for freshers with 0 to 1 years of experience. And for experienced research professionals, it can extend up to 16.5 LPA. It depends on the experience. Typically, a career as a UX researcher can look like, or you can get the designations like research coordinator, junior user researcher, mid-level user researcher, senior user researcher, lead user researcher, and head of user research. Some of the specifications and requirements for UX for beginning the UX researcher includes a bachelor degree in computer science or related field is required. You should be comfortable with utilizing the data. In-depth knowledge of user interface design, user experience design, as well as user experience research. And you should be knowing the user-centered design methodologies, working knowledge of statistical, behavioral, and quantitative analysis. You should be well-versed with problem solving and creative thinking skills. And you should know how to manage the time very effectively. Next is UX writer. User experience writer develop copies for apps, websites, and other digital products. Copies in the sense, they'll be writing the content in a minimal way. It can be considered as microcopies for very short sentences. These are especially used to assist the users throughout the navigation. UX writer salary for freshers will come around 3.6 lakhs per annum. According to Ambition Box, India's typical UX writer salary is ranging around 2.1 lakhs to 21 lakhs per annum is based on their experience. UX writer is a subcategory of technical writing. Their job roles can look like user experience writer, UX research writer, junior UX writer, senior UX writer, UX writing specialist, UX writing manager. And here are few of the skills that you require to attain this job. User experience, user research, communication skills, technical skills, design tools, UX design, content strategy, proactive problem solving, and you should be well working with the team. Let's come to the goal, UX designers. UX designers' jobs are to make the service or a product usable or make it user-friendly. UX designer salary for freshers starting from 2.1 lakhs to 5.5 LPA. It is based on the skills that you have or what they require. If you have the experience of around 1 year or more than that, then your salary can range from 5.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs per annum. It eventually increases based on your experience. Here are few of the skills that you require for this job. You should be knowing user research and strategy, wireframing and prototyping, responsive web design, project management, team and stakeholder management, empathizing with the user, collaboration and communication is the most important keys. Next is UI designer. A user interface designer is in charge of creating the appearance of a website. Salary range is same as the UX designer that is currently getting. It can range from 2.1 lakhs to 5.5 lakhs per annum for the freshers, and same for maybe it can eventually increases based on the experience. The roles in UI design look like UI intern, junior UI designer, mid-level UI designer, senior UI designer, and the UI lead. Here are few of the skills that is required for this job. UX research, wireframing and prototyping, UX writing, visual communication, interaction design, analytical skills, information architecture, curiosity, and empathy. And sometimes coding skills might also require for the UI designer, which is based on the company that you join. Next is UX manager. You can become a UX manager in startups with experience of around 1 to 2 years. Your salary can be from 3.6 lakh per annum to 9 lakhs per annum. It is based on your skills and experience again. With experience of more than 2 to 3 years, your salary in India for UX manager ranges from 9 lakhs per annum to 49.3 lakhs per annum. It is based on your skills and experience again. All the skills that I have mentioned for the previous job roles are required for this particular job role. There is no proper data of salary for UX strategists are available. Few of the job roles for UX strategists can be UI intern, junior UI strategist, mid-level UI strategist, senior UI strategist, UI lead strategist. Here are some of the skills required for this job role. Soft skills, negotiation skills, research skills, design thinking, and verbal skills. We are done with the salaries for UX UI designers in 2023. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubts, you can put that in the comment section. If you are preparing for any of these roles, please also consider the skills that I have mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.